Have you ever noticed something interesting? While a person with a diabetic visits the doctor, they firstly go for the examination of an eye test, a kidney test, or they examine the food. But why these three? While the whole body is affected by diabetes, why don't these problems appear first in heart or liver? The answer is fascinating. The answer isn't sugar itself. The real problem is what high blood sugar does to your tiny blood vessels. Think of them as thousands of tiny roads carrying oxygen and nutrients to every organ. When the blood sugar remains high for a long time, these delicate blood vessels slowly become damaged. And here is the important part. This damage usually happens quietly. Most of the people don't even feel anything in the beginning. Let's start with your kidneys. Every day, your kidneys filter a huge amount of blood using millions of tiny filters. These filters depend on healthy blood vessels to work properly. When diabetes damages those vessels, the kidneys slowly lose their ability to filter waste efficiently. That's why doctors regularly check kidney function in people with diabetes. Now have a look at the eyes. The retina at the back of your eyes contains some of the smallest blood vessels in your body. High blood sugar can weaken these vessels, causing them to leak or become blocked. At first, you may notice blurriness. Without a proper care, the damage can become more serious over time. The same can also affect the nerves, especially the feet. When these tiny blood vessels supplying the nerves are damaged, the nerves don't receive enough oxygen and nutrients. This eventually leads to tickling, numbing, or a burning sensation in the feet. The good news is that this isn't inevitable. It can be cured. Yes, but how? These following steps are keeping your blood sugars in a healthy range, having a proper physical activity, maintaining a proper diet, following your treatment plan, and also the last one is to go for regular checkups of eye and kidney. This can reduce these complications. So, the next time someone tells you diabetes is just high blood sugar, then it's not. Remember, the real danger is what it does quietly to our tiny blood vessels, which supports the health of our all over organs. In the next episode, we will be answering the next common question. Why do people with diabetes often feel hungry even after eating?